A shocking discovery has emerged about the FreeVPN.One Chrome extension, which has over 100,000 installs. Researchers from Koi Security found that this VPN tool captures screenshots of user screens and sends them to remote servers. The extension uses Chrome's API to silently take full-page screenshots, logging sensitive data like personal messages and financial information. This spying mechanism activates automatically when a user loads any web page without their knowledge. Koi Security's analysis revealed that the extension's latest version encrypts the exfiltrated data, complicating detection efforts. Despite the developer's claims of a security scan, the tool indiscriminately captures data from safe sites. The developer has not provided verifiable proof of their claims and has ceased communication with researchers. FreeVPN.One remains available on the Chrome Web Store with a verified badge, raising concerns. Users are advised to change their passwords and consider using independently audited VPN services.